आज की क्लास में आज हम और आगे कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं छोटी छोटी, उसके बारे में भी हम बात करेंगे। इससे पहले भी हमने क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी, कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी और एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में जानकारी की थी। कुछ छोटी छोटी और जो रेशनल नंबर है उससे रिलेटेड कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं, आइए उसको समझते हैं हम। तो सबसे पहले रोल ऑफ जीरो। है, आप सभी जानते हैं जीरो भी हमारा रेशनल नंबर है और जीरो को किसी रेशनल नंबर के साथ अगर हम ऐड अप करते हैं देन वी फाइंड द सेम रेशनल नंबर। सो इफ से a upon v is a rational number and if we add we sum this rational number with zero because this is also a rational number gives the same rational numbers. So this zero is known as additive identity. Zero is known as additive identity. So ये हमारा एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी नहीं, जीरो हमारा क्या है, एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी जाना जाता है। तो इस तरह से नेक्स्ट है हमारा द रोल ऑफ वन। रोल ऑफ वन, इसको हम मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी। वन आप जानते हैं, वन इज ऑल्सो अ रेशनल नंबर एंड इफ वन इज मल्टीप्लाइड विद एनी रेशनल नंबर द रिजल्ट इज द सेम रेशनल नंबर। Say if I say any a upon b is a rational number, if 1 is multiplied by this the result is same. So this 1 is known as the multiplicative identity of rational numbers. Okay, now और नेगेटिव ऑफ ए रेशनल नंबर, इसको भी देखिए समझते हैं। नेगेटिव ऑफ अ रेशनल नंबर, so you know that negative of, if I say a upon v is a rational number, its negative is what? The same with change of sign here. So this is also known as the additive inverse. Additive means the negative of a rational number is known as additive inverse, and the negative of a rational number is the same rational number with change of sign. If you have another, say negative any minus p upon q a rational number, then its additive inverse would be the positive one plus p over. So if we change the sign of a rational number, it becomes its additive inverse, known as additive inverse. So the simple. Now we will see the reciprocal of a rational number. Reciprocal of a rational number. it is also known as the multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative इनवर्स क्या होता है? मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स या रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ ए रेशनल नंबर. एक्चुअली इफ I take this a upon b is a rational number. If we interchange its numerator and denominator, it becomes the reciprocal of a rational number, that is b upon a, simply. And this is a multiplicative inverse. Or simply, if another way you can say that if two rational numbers, say p over q multiplied by r over s gives 1, then each of them are reciprocal of the other, or multiplicative inverse of the other. So simply from here, rs is the multiplicative inverse of p upon q, and p upon q is the multiplicative inverse of r over s. So simply to find out the multiplicative inverse of any rational number, you have to interchange its numerator and denominator. Okay. So this is also property. Now another property, let's discuss distributivity of multiplication over addition and subtraction. So here is another property, distributivity of multiplication. Okay, distributivity of multiplication over addition and subtraction. So simply understand it, that if you have three numbers, if three numbers a and b, a, b and c, and they are a into b plus c. So this is the multiplication over addition. Here is the sign of multiplication and here is in bracket the plus. So we can expand this in this way, a into b plus a into c. So this is called the distributivity of multiplication over addition. Over addition. And simply if I say in this way, a into b minus c, it is a into b minus a into c, because it is the distributivity over subtraction, because here in this bracket our numbers are in subtraction form. Okay, so this is another property known as the distributivity of multiplication over addition and subtraction. These the two different operations. So these are some of the properties regarding to the rational numbers. You must understand these all one by one and know its application.